Hey there, it's Mark. I'm going to talk about this box in just a moment. I had made a post on my community tab. Actually, it's not called community tab no more. It's called posts. I had mentioned that I had been collecting for over 25 years. I don't worry about not finding the first color. The red version. I was looking for it. Never seen it. I don't know if I missed it. Is it still out? I don't know, so I asked. I mentioned it because I had seen that people were finding the white version. So it's like I must have missed the red version because that was probably months ago. I was kind of curious if I missed it. Why was it hard to find? Why did I miss it? Was it popular? I don't know. I had no idea. Thanks to those of you who let me know that it's a car from Malaysia. It's a Malaysian car. Pretty cool. Pretty cool to get all types of cars. Love to collect. Like I said, I've been collecting over 25 years. ADubTheGrizzy said he had one if I was interested. So we had a little chat. And I got the box. Went and picked it up. I had stuff to ship out. It's sealed. I left just a little bit to show that I was opening it right now. There you go. I was hoping, please open. Let me pick just to make, hope I didn't miss this side. Okay. I was hoping that, what? Okay. Hold on. Let me make sure there's no address or anything inside. Well, so far so good. Nothing. Oh yeah, I have other cars to show too. I went to the post office to pick this up. On the way back, Target, Dollar Tree, you know. Oh, here we go. I think he had asked if it was okay if it was a loose. So yes, definitely okay. I didn't have any samples at all. Besides it being loose, it's gonna let me find something out. Because I'm curious. I was looking at pictures that people have been showing, and I'm like, it looks like they do the little thing to where part of the base is actually part of the body, because I noticed in pictures, and see, sure enough, it's a little bit of a different color right here, and I'm thinking it's like that Ford GT something. I forget which one it is. To where this color doesn't match the color of the body. And then, yep, sure enough, back here, this is part of the plastic base, wraps around. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Says a Saga on the side. Just a quick look. So now I have a sample. And then I actually sent him a private message, not on YouTube. And I asked, can I use his name or not? And so he said, okay, of course. So he responded, guess what? He just found the red one in the package. So now he could have sent me a red one in the package if we just waited a few days. But part of the conversation I had with him was that, first of all, he shows me pictures of a whole bunch of cars, dozens of cars. And he asked, do I need any of these? And it's like, I'm looking, I really don't need recolors of a lot of cars. But in one of the pictures, I asked him, what are these two cars? I don't know if I've seen them before. And I check my list on my phone. I keep a spreadsheet on my phone. So this way I know which cars I have. And not all of my cars. It's just the cars from since last few years. I started keeping a list because otherwise I can't remember anymore. It's just too many cars. There's a picture of it on the base, the name on the base. I don't know if I would have noticed this right away, but he told me that this car's released with a large front wheel or a bigger front wheel than in the back. And he says it's supposed to be that way. He explained why, and I don't remember right now. But he did let me know it's supposed to be like that. Can't tell by the picture on the card. Drag strip. Oh, international package. You can tell when this is red. It's going to be the multi-language international package. I wanted to see what it said right here. I can check. I'll check a USA package. Or did I get a picture? Is it there? Okay, that's what it says on the back. I don't know right now. Well, when I edit the video, it'll be right there. 92 Honda Civic EG. Apparently, I think this is a newer model as well. Oh, it's not newer. The deal is I stopped the case unboxings in 2021. And I think this was released after that. So I did not have this color. Or I might have had a color. I'm not sure. But I said, hey, if you have these two, I'll take these two. And he threw this in. This is a little bonus that he threw in as well. But really, there's people, they say, hey, I got a whole box of cars I want to send you. No, don't send me a whole box of cars. I'm trying to downsize. Right now, I'm paying for storage for cars. So don't send me a bunch of cars, okay? These were specific. I need these. And hopefully I can get other colors in the future as well. What's interesting in his picture, he had a whole bunch of cars in the picture. So, it's in the picture, it's like this big because all the cars are in the picture. And I'm looking at it, and it almost looks like the same because I'm looking at the window. I'll move it closer just so you can see, so I understand. And I'm like, the window's looking the same, and I didn't want to ask him because I'm ignorant. I just don't know. Right? I'm ignorant. I'm not stupid. That's different. The window shape's the same. I'm looking at the picture. And then he sent it. He goes, so these two? And then I realized, oh yeah, two different names for the cars. They're not the same. Anyways, so very specific to what I want to do in the future or what I want to have. What's this, Mark? Oh yeah. These I got at, let me peek. These I got at Dollar Tree. Now I talk about recolors. I don't need a lot of recolors. But I thought I like this car. I like it a lot. I'll get a lot of colors. I might not get every color, okay? But pretty cool with the eyes on there. I got one of these. I'm not going to get more than one of this. No. New model was the best. 50th. It came out when I'm pretty sure the first release was the blue 50th anniversary. If you look at the wheels, it has a 50. That makes it even more special. Another car I picked up at Dollar Tree. Hirohata Merc. Look, I have some colors of this. Hasn't been a whole lot of colors because this basically been reissued. I did not realize that the side right here was plastic. Just like this. They cut back on the metal. Cats. Cut back on the metal, so plastic. This is parts metal. You can actually see a little bit of edge of the plastic base right there. I did not realize that this part was plastic on the other colors. I have like a mint green, right? I'll probably get quite a few colors of this. This actually was originally in a 100% line. Beautiful car. This is definitely, I'll get a lot of colors of this one. So when I say I don't get a lot of, it depends. Like cars I really like, I'll get a lot of colors. Cars that are like, okay, don't be insulted. I'm just saying, I don't need a lot of colors. You got the same livery print. But yeah, look. Dollar Tree. Now, I did not find Super Treasure on it. Did I find a treasure on it? Wait a second. No. That's Target. Anyways, so white version. Just a quick look. Oh, this would be the new model. So it would say on the back, the new model information. This is a recolor, probably 2025. That's what I'm guessing. It got a recolor in 2025. So, no information. But I would have told you already. Oh, yeah, Target. Story time. Because people have posted pics, people kept posting this. I said, oh, that must be a treasure hunt. So, yeah, see it right there. Circle Flame logo right there in the middle of the skulls. I pick it up. I don't remember if I get the other basic treasure hunt. You can see the Circle Flame logo behind the car right there, too. They're not in every case, but if it's in a case, it's only one. And it's only for that code, and this code was P. Right there. There's still a lot of them made. But if it's in the case, it's one per case. Very cool. Love this style. It's kind of in the style of, well, I don't want to say. I'm getting away from that kind of stuff. How did I get that? Went to Target. Look at the pigs. Nothing particular. I already had one of these, but I'll take an extra one. You have the Godzilla Nissan Skyline GTR BCNR33. I'll take an extra of this version. Besides, if I use this on the track, it contrasts with the track color. The track's like orange, right? So this will contrast with the orange color. But I was at Target, and it's like, I didn't really see anything on the pigs. Then I look on the floor all the way at the end of the aisle. There's an open case. And I walk closer, and I can see on the side it says 72 cars. So, oh, let's check that out. So I open it up, and it was full of cars. It's like, well, I'm not going to expect a super, but Target's picky about touching stuff. So I picked it up, and I went over to the pegs, and I just started pegging them. So I bought some cars. I had this one already. Oh, yeah. So see, I don't worry about if I miss this, it might show up again, right? Stores get old stock all the time. Look, this was at Target yesterday, which would be February 6th. New for 2024. This is 2025. That's why I don't worry if I didn't get this. Even if I had to pay $2 at a flea market for this. $2. I ain't going to worry about it. But anyways, so here's a quick look at this. If you want to zoom on in. And Adam, a Grizzly. We were talking about this car. And I checked my list and said, nope, you know what? I didn't get it. I didn't get this one. I didn't find the orange one. Bam! Just like that. I don't worry about it if I don't find it. I'll get it eventually. Been collecting 25 years. I'm not quitting. I just have a different focus. Pardon my throat. I can't seem to get rid of it right now. I keep trying to clear my throat, and it is not helping. 94 Toyota Supra. Fast and Furious. It would be really fantastic to get the orange version on the card, right? That one I'm probably not going to get for $2. But then I was telling somebody, I said, look, they're tuned cars, even if it's Fast and Furious. They're tuned cars. It's not like they're probably going to be expensive to pick up off a table later on. And if they ask too much money, let it go. While it would have been nice to get the black. Oh, I have the black. I take it back. After talking with Adam, I said, I didn't have this. I don't have this. I don't know why I missed it, but I checked my spreadsheet. I did find a black version. If I do use it in a video, I don't know if I'd use this one or the black one. Is that all I wanted to yap about? I think that was enough yapping. Anyways, Adam, thanks a bunch. I found the white version, but now I got the red one. See? Got them both. And who knows? He just found the red version in a grocery store today. Bye-bye.